Alright, we're going to do a nice oven roasted soup here. We got our bell peppers, our tomatoes, we got onions, we got carrots, and we got garlic. You're going to drizzle olive oil on top of all of it, put some salt and pepper, put it in the oven at 425 for about 45 minutes to an hour. Alright, now take all your oven roasted veggies and put them into a blender with 2 cups of veggie broth. Go ahead and squish all that garlic in there. Alright, get that all blended up. Alright, now you just let this simmer. You could add other seasonings to it if you want, thyme or salt, whatever.